Hey guys, Disneycollector here with this My Talking Rescue Pack from the Nickelodeon show called Go Diego Go!
What do we need? Rescue pack! I've got your back!
Now let's see everything that comes in this box. So here's the rescue pack.
Baby Jaguar! What should we use to check Baby Jaguar's heart?
We should use the stethoscope.
Rescue pack! I've got your back!
And right here is the stethoscope. We also have another animal friend right here. And right here is everything you need to know about this animal. Baby Jaguar's food plate with a place for water and a little food. Baby Jaguar. One little cast for Baby Jaguar. And Baby Jaguar's medical chart. We can place everything we got in the box right here in the rescue pack. We still have a lot of space in this pack, so we can store other stuff like this clay buddies from Peppa Pig, Mickey Mouse chocolate surprise, Frozen chocolate surprise, and My Little Pony, another chocolate surprise.
What should we use to check Baby Jaguar's heart?
The stethoscope.
Activate! Yo! Rescue pack here and activated!
Well, let's open this egg surprise from My Little Pony. We just got in this egg surprise Pinkie Pie and one little flyer. This Pinkie Pie is a mini figure. Let's open the frozen egg. Here's the flyer. And Princess Anna. She has on the coronation dress. Now Mickey Mouse chocolate egg. We just got Daisy. This daisy is a Christmas ornament. And right here is the little flyer.
Rescue pack! I've got your back!
Now the last surprise is Clay Buddies from Peppa Pig. Cool! We can make with this set Pedro Pony. Here's the little flyer and the clay. This clay is a lot like Play-Doh. So we're just gonna make a little ball here. And then you just have to add the legs and arms. Well guys, thanks for watching my videos and stay tuned for a lot more from Nickelodeon right here on Disney Collector.
Activate! Yo, rescue pack here and activated!